it's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today I have a wig review for you guys. Yes, I do. It came in a DHL bag like so, and I'm going to share with you all the goodies that is in this here bag. Yeah, ooh, yeah. So I already opened it up. It came in a cute little Merry Christmas box from Nadula. Thank you, Nadula, for reaching out to me and wanting me to share this here unit with my subbies. Yes, my family members. Yeah, so this is a really cute box. It says Merry Christmas on it, and inside is a bunch of goodies, y'all, that I want to share with you all. So the first thing that jumps out is this cute little green headband like so, but then you get this one that you can wear like around Christmas time to be more jazzy. Look at this, y'all. Look at this cute headband. Let me open it up so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. This little bedazzled out headband piece. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That is super gorgeous. Yes. Okay, so we have that. We have some more headbands we're going to get into. Look at this. We have gray. I love gray. A blue one. We have a brown one. And we have a leopard one. So we have those. We're going to talk about that a little bit later in the video. Let's go on and see what else is in the box. Oh my goodness. We even have a cute little brush. Let's open it up. We're going to use the brush if we need to. We have this cute little pink brush jumping off. Yes, that should be fun. They also threw in a wrap for your head to lay down if you have some edges you need to lay down, or if you just want to wear it. They also provided 2 wig caps for me. Edge brush, y'all. They just Merry Christmas and me. Thank you, Nadula. Hey. Okay, and then we're gonna open this up. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Ooh, we have a look like a makeup case, or you can actually put your stuff in here. Yes, that's cute. It's different. Okay, so we have that. So they provided a lot of goodies, and last but not least, this cute little clip. Well, it's not a clip. It's like a bobby pin. It's like a pin, and it says Queen on it. Indeed. And let's go on to the star of the show. Ooh. This is a Brazilian hair, and it is a 26-inch. And yes, it is. It's super long. Look at that, y'all. Okay. All right, so we're gonna open this one up. Okay. It does have like a new smell to it. Like I said, it's like a baby doll smell, but this right here is cute. All right, so this will be fun. You can wet this hair and it look pretty, but you might not even need to wet it. It has a natural look to it. It's not black, but it has like that natural look. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's get into it. I'm checking it out. And it's full. It's not like patchy or anything. Some headband wigs, I noticed they make it, they'll give you just a few pieces of hairs and call it a day, but this one is a really good one. And let's talk about the cap. You get your headband, and this right here is really soft and silky. It'll protect your edges and whatnot. And then you have your, as they call it, piano keys, your combs. One in the front. You have one on the sides, one on each side rather, and you have one in the back. And check this out, you guys. This is really good. That's how you know you're getting a good headband. You have an adjustable strap. Although it stretches, they give you these little adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your head. Because, you know, some people have big heads, some people have small heads. You know, it all depends, which is a good thing. So I'm adjusting it right now. Okay, so that's a good thing. You can adjust it according to how tight you want it. So we are going to put on a wig cap, and I'm going to come back to you guys and show you how it looks on. Okay, so we're putting on this here cute headband wig. I'm making sure that everything is in place, and by being so long, I just clip it, y'all, because I want to be able to put it on right. And these headbands, they protect your edges. If you don't have any, you can just cover it up and wear it like so. But by me liking to wear a few little baby hairs out, I just flip it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put it towards the back. Make sure it's secure. Yeah, it's secure. And I'm going to flip this part half. I don't like all of it, so just flip it back like so. You can actually put the combs underneath your Velcro strap. It all depends, and you can actually wear it like sideways like that. That's cute. I think that's cute. So let's tackle these edges real quick, because these edges is I don't know, they need a little attention. Yeah, they need a little attention. I just wet it with some water, and then I'll like apply some gel on it. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me use my, they gave me an edge brush. Let's use the edge brush. Yeah. Okay. That should be good enough. Yeah, that should be good enough. And I'm feeling this little cute little side ponytail. What y'all think? Okay, we're gonna let it down so that I can show y'all how. Ooh wee. This, now this right here is too cute. Look at this. Look how long it is. It is so cute. I don't know, it's giving me like that Janet Jackson kind of like Sierra type of look. This is really pretty. Look at that. Look how long it is. OMG, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me step back some so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Look how pretty that is, y'all. This is super cute. This is really cute. Okay, we're gonna get into the specs in a minute. I'm going to figure out what, I'm gonna show you guys some headbands, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm getting super excited because I don't think I ever had a unit this long and this pretty, and the curl pattern is like all that. Look at that. Let me turn around so that I can see, so I can show y'all. Let me show you guys how long this sucker is. Look, it goes all the way down. Y'all see that? It goes all the way down. What? That is too cute, y'all. It is so long. Okay, so we're gonna get into the headbands. Since I have on black, I'm gonna try on this cute little gray one. Yes. Okay, so the gray one has this cute little knot, and we're gonna put this on. You just bring it to your neck and just bring out the hair. And some people ask, should I be, and someone asked me, do I have to wear the wig cap? I suggest you do, because it protects your hair. It keeps your hair in place. And one thing about these headband wigs, if you don't know how to braid your hair, you can just push your hair all the way back into like a little ponytail, or like push, like comb your hair all the way back, making sure that it's just smooth. And then you could just put on your wig cap. And you good. You don't have to worry about nobody braiding your hair into cornrows. Am I saying that right? Cornrows or anything. Okay, so this is a look, right? You got the gray because you got the black Calvin Klein jumping off. You have the gray with the hoops, and this is like a outfit you have. This is like some hair that you would have to wear some hoops with, and it looks so cute. Yes, I am feeling it. What? Okay, so now we did the gray. You see how the gray looks. We're gonna do, let's see, we're gonna do another color. I'm not gonna do brown because brown is too dark. So unless I had like something on that was lighter. Let's do this pretty headband. Now this right here is beautiful. And I'm going to place it on my head like so. And I like to wear it like this. And that'll be really cute. But what if I like did like, let me see. Before I get into this headband, I want to be able to style. And I just get one of these little things from the Dollar Tree. You can wear it half up, half down. Let's put on the blue headband. So like I said, this is right out the box. You don't need to do too much. Just put it on and go. And this is just that hair when you have somewhere to be. You ain't got time to be curling your hair. Or if your wrap didn't come out right when you got it done, you could just throw on this headband wig and call it a day. You know, we all had those moments when we get our hair done and I don't know, it just don't do right. This is what you need to get. Okay. All right, so we have these long tresses going on. I'm going to show you how it looks with the other headband. We have that look going on, and we'll just put the headband on top like so. You can actually tuck the headband underneath the one that is attached to it. I like to do that. Let me show y'all. I'm going to tuck it underneath so that you can't see it. But it really doesn't bother me. But for those of y'all who do, you can actually wear it like so. And I'm going to take this rubber band out, or the head tie. And this is just a cute little vibe. It's look at this. This is so pretty. The hair is gorgeous. And you can wear this like in the wintertime, fall time. I know, I'm just showing you guys. This is a beautiful unit. Like I said, you don't always have to have it. This is like that fall look. I don't know necessarily if I wanted it to be like all blonde. You know what I'm saying? Because then it'll just be a little bit too much for me, too harsh. So every now and then I like to do a natural color. It's cute. It's different. Okay, so we're gonna get into it, you guys. This is from, again, the company called Nadula. They were kind enough to send this package out to me to share with you all this unit. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the hair. This is Nadula Water Wave wig. It's a half headband wig. It is 100% virgin hair, long headband wig. It's a beauty. It's like a really nice accessory to have. Look at this. Look how long it is. I'm gonna stand up so that you can see. Goes all the way down, all the way, seem like to my hip, you got, to my hip, you guys. Make sure I'm not rolling over any cords. Yes, and this right here is a 26-inch, and this right here, this hair is really nice. It's soft, and I noticed that the shipment, when I placed the order for them to send it to me, they sent it really fast. So the shipping is really fast. And what else can I tell you guys about this hair? It's just everything. The hair density is a 200%, and like I said, it's a 26-inch. Now the 26-inch is a little pricey. You don't have to go as far as this length. You can get something shorter, same style. You can get it up to here, like a 10-inch, or maybe a 14-inch or a 16-inch. But yeah, this is the 26-inch if you're interested in something like this. And again, this is the Nadula Water Wave wig, half wig with a headband. You get multiple headbands. And this piece right here is just so beautiful. I love it, you guys. And yeah, hello. Hey. Yes, this is really fun. I love doing headband wigs. I love doing wigs itself. It's just so fun. A lot of people don't wear wigs, But I mean, it's okay. You know, sometimes you need to switch it up a little bit, change it up a little bit, you know. So yes, I am enjoying this here piece. I'm gonna turn around again so that you can see how long it is. All the way down here, y'all. So once again, I want to thank Nadula for sending me this here unit to share with you all. And let me know if you are interested in it. If you've ordered any headband wigs that I've shared with you all, let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, thank you and have a good one. Y'all.